Some confusion over a vaccine text message this morning. Now cleared up. Turns out 1,200 St. Joseph residents weren't the target of a mass spam text. We learned today that the text was sent out this morning informing people they were eligible for the COVID vaccine, but actually was pushed out by the Social Welfare Board and not a spammer. 8 o'clock this morning, phones were ringing off the hook at the city's COVID vaccine call center. Volunteers confused by what they say was an alarming amount of callers, claiming they received a text message saying they're now eligible for the vaccine when they actually weren't. City staff convinced it was a spam, but the culprit ended up being the Social Welfare Board, and they couldn't believe the news.
We're not a spammer. It was a misunderstanding because we were on the same page that the message was coming from the Social Welfare Board. However, when this was sent by our third-party vendor, that information did not make it on there because of the limit of characters to the message.
For an hour and a half, I could not walk away from my desk.
It's still not exactly clear why the city says most of the callers weren't eligible for the vaccine. The text sent out to 1,200 patients of the Social Welfare Board, falling into 5 different categories: chronic kidney disease, heart conditions, COPD, BMI of 40 or greater, and type 2 diabetes. The Social Welfare Board apologizing for the miscommunication.